fucking trawler here somewhere, but I'm buggered if I can find it. That's a tide run over the wreck, so we want to be dropping down here, fishing just down from it. Now the question is, where the fuck the actual structure is. Right, I found it, I'm right over it now. And there's fish showing.
I could see this patch of broken water and figured that must be the wreck of the Norman. I found it on the sounder. I've dropped my anchor. I think my anchor's on the wreck and I'm fishing now a bit down tide. Got all the boils there and it's quite turbulent even though it's a flat day. Whoa, shit, man.
Fucking hell. Fucking water streaming in here. Oh, Jesus, now I'm snagged up. What the fuck is that? Yeah, I found a wreck. It's all going tits up. You'll probably catch a fucking stingray next. Yeah. Yeah, the stingray will sting me and then cough up a weaver in panic. Oh my god! Oh, I got a fucking... Oh no, I haven't. Yes, I have. I got a fucking sanitary pad. What's going on? Fucking anchor on the wreck, snagged up, cross my anchor line with the thing, a fucking sanitary pad. Fuck the wreck of the Norman. Yeah, I'm hooked up on the wreck. The wreck is right here. Oh, got it. Yes! Weak link got me out. Brilliant.
What do you reckon?
Ah, nice.
It was good down the water?
Beautiful.
Was it worth the drive?
It was lovely. I love eating weed.
I can pull the buoy right under. You having fun there, Si?
Yeah, can't beat it, mate.